Hello to all our new and returning subscribers to the @LearnUsYouGoRight channel. We're delighted to have you here. Ever wondered how much space your toy box occupies? Or how long the ribbon needed to go around your favorite gift box? Well, today we're going to unravel these mysteries and more as we dive into the fascinating world of shapes and spaces. Let's start with the term perimeter. Perimeter is a fancy word that simply means the distance around a shape. Imagine walking around the edge of a park. The total distance you've covered is the perimeter of the park. If it's a square park, and each side is the same length, then you just have to multiply the length of one side by 4. If it's a rectangle, you add the lengths of all 4 sides. See? It's not that complicated. Moving on, let's talk about area. Area is just a measure of how much space a shape covers. Think about it like this. If you want to paint a wall, you need to know how big the wall is, right? The bigness of the wall is its area. If the wall is a square or a rectangle, you can find its area by multiplying its length by its width. Now, on to the third concept for today, volume. Volume is a bit different because it's about how much space something takes up in 3 dimensions, not just 2. Imagine filling up your toy box with marbles. The amount of space the marbles take up inside the box is the box's volume. If your toy box is shaped like a cube or a rectangular prism, you can find its volume by multiplying its length by its width and by its height. To summarize, perimeter is the distance around a shape, area is how much space a shape covers, and volume is how much space something takes up in 3 dimensions. These are tools that mathematicians use to understand the world around us, from the space inside a toy box to the size of a park. Remember, these concepts are not as daunting as they might seem at first. With practice, you can master them and apply them to solve interesting problems. So the next time you're wrapping a gift or filling up a toy box, think about the perimeter, area, and volume. You might just be surprised at how much you already understand about these mathematical concepts. And before we go, a big thank you to all our new and returning subscribers of @LearnUsYouGoRight channel. Your support makes all the difference. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the world is full of fascinating shapes and spaces waiting to be discovered. Until next time, happy learning.